Welcome to Plannerate, your first planning session's introduction. Let us start our planning session by giving it a name. I will call this session, my first value effort session. Next, we need to select our planning methodology. For this example, I will select the value effort methodology as it only has two metrics, value and effort. To learn more about prioritization methodologies, check out our other tutorials. Next, we are going to select our workflow. For this example, I will show the cadence workflow, which allows us to review the votes as a group before finalizing a prioritization score. We can now add the items we want to prioritize. I am adding a code, name, and description in this example. Each value is separated by a comma. You can skip adding a code and description by just adding your priority's name and pressing enter. Alternatively, Plannerate allows for importing via CSV or Google Sheets. Check out our tutorials for more detail. Finally, we are going to invite our colleagues to vote for their priorities. Just add their emails separated by commas. You can add a welcome message and then click Create Session. An email will be sent to your colleagues requesting them to vote. Congratulations! You now have your first voting session. In this example, we are voting on features for a new media sharing service. The team votes on the value and effort of the feature based on t-shirt sizing. If I think a feature has low value, I will assign it a small t-shirt size like extra small or small. For effort, I will assign a smaller t-shirt for features that will be quick to implement. For push notifications for accounts, I have assigned it high value and low effort. Remember, in Plannerate you can create your own voting methodologies and input fields. Once we have finished voting, we can move to our Planning Poker section. Click the Priority Poker navigation item in the left-hand bar. Here we can see who has voted and who is outstanding. Once we have the votes, and we can lock the projects. This will prevent any team members from being able to vote or re-vote. At this point, we are ready to review as a team. The Planning Poker vote displays the minimum and maximum votes as well as the median score. Together, you can decide if you agree with each metric. Adjusting the slider will update the priority score. The planner can then accept the score or reset the project for another vote. Going back to the items page, we now see our list of prioritized projects. Congratulations, your team now has a list of priorities to work against. The priority graph gives us a value effort graph view of our priorities. Check out our other tutorials for more details on how to use this graph. That concludes the quick introduction to Plannerate. Happy planning!